What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. All right, guys, got something really special for you today. Going to talk about a new company that is going to be in the same area as Chewy. And if we look here at the Chewy stock, man, this thing is like a stock investor's dream. So look at the 1 week. We're up 19%. Look at the 1 month. We're up 49%. Look at the 3 month, up 92%. And look at the 1 year, up 256%, guys. If you're investing in this company, this is the companies you invest in, this is exactly what you want to see, that this thing has positive growth. And if you don't know what Chewy is basically a company that is a subscription base for your pets. They will send you treats, they will send you toys, they will send you clothing for your pets. And who doesn't like to invest in their pets? That's right. So this is a win-win, because this is recession proof, man. Because it don't matter what kind of shape the economy is in, people is always going to take care of their pets. So this is one that just recently came out. We're going to talk about this Spac today. We're going to go over some highlights of the Spac, and it's at $13 and some right now. And I think this could be the next Chewy. May not get as big as Chewy, but we may be able to get a part of the piece of the pie of this one and get some great gain, guys. So hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. So baby, let's get to it. Let's go. And all right, guys, here it is. Yes, you can purchase this Spac on Robinhood. Ticker symbol STIC, Northern Star. That's right. So here it is. This is going to be the company Barkbox. It is a subscription-based company. So put this on your, I had this in my blank check company watch list. And I must say, I'm really excited about this. We're going to get in, go over the fundamentals of Barkbox and the IPO hitting. So this is one I really want to start investing in. And I would really like to start building out a position in this, because as we know, guys, people like to take care of their pets. And we're going to go over an article that has a lot of great information about Barkbox and why I think that I suggest that you guys should take a look at it as well and make a decision whether you should invest or not into Barkbox. All right, guys, and here it is. This article was just posted on the 17th, so literally just 3 days ago. Barkbox IPO stock to hit the market in 2021 via Spac. Barkbox IPO is officially coming to market. The company recently announced Barkbox stock will trade on the New York Stock Exchange next year. After the success of Chewy and recent filings from Petco, investors are showing interest in this opportunity. And as we scroll down here, Barkbox IPO, the business. This was founded in 2012, headquartered in New York. Barkbox is a subscription service for dogs. It provides toys, treats, home products, and health services. Bark has 6.5 million customers, 1.1 active subscriptions, and 8.5 million followers on its social media platform. The company has 5 product lines offered to consumers and has 23,000 retail outlets carrying the products. This includes Target, Petco, and Costco. Bark sees itself as a global industry leader and devoted to being the most dog-centric company possible. And now that Barkbox IPO's company has an opportunity to expand even further, but first let's take a look at this offer. And all right, guys, here is some of the Bark's products, including the 2020 new additions. In 2012, Barkbox, a personalized monthly box and themed plush toys and treats. 2017, Bark Super Chewer, a personalized monthly box with themed durable toys. 2019, we had the Bark Home, house essentials such as beds, collars, leashes, and bowls. 2020, Bark Bright, dog dental solution and future health and wellness platform. Also in 2020, Bark Eats, a personalized food blend service. Guys, this is really huge because we know people want to take care of their pets, man. There's a lot of people, including yourself, that doesn't have children. Our pets is our children. How many people do you know that they care more about their pets than their actual children? So that is true. It's sad to say, but it is true, man. Pets are like children. People are going to take care of their pets, and wait till we get into these financial data numbers that we're going to go over here in this video. All right, guys, here is some of the financial data and the future estimates. In 2018, Bark recorded $148.8 million in revenue. It grew 28% to $191.4 million in 2019. And for 2020, the revenue increased 17% to $224.3 million. The company estimates its total revenue 2021 fiscal year to be $369 million for a growth of 64%. In 2023, it estimates a growth of $706 million. All right, guys, and here is some of the gross profit for each year represented. Bark recorded it grew 56% from $83.7 million in 2018 to $107 million in 2019. In 2020, it increased by 60% to $135 million. Bark estimates gross profit will be $221 million in 2021. That's a growth of 59%. The company's 2023 estimate for a gross profit is $413 million. All right, guys, so we do want to go into a little bit more of the company here, and it says here that, but despite having a gross profit, Bark does not have a net income. Instead, the startup has net losses. In 2018, the net loss of $21 million, and the company's loss increased in 2019 of $37 million, but in 2020, Bark's net loss decreased to $31 million, and is expected to fall further to $21 million for 21. Bark gave a conservative estimate of $29 million net loss for 2023. So we do want to put that out there that the company is not profitable yet. So there is a little bit of risk involved. As you know, in any company, there's always a risk, and this company is not net profitable yet. So I want to put that out there as a disclaimer. But I see as they start to get better with the business and figure out how to cut margins down, figure out ways to shave off dollars they're spending maybe on advertising and publicity. And all right, guys, we are here on the Barkbox.com website. And as you get on here, it is very colorful, man. It is very popping. It catches your eyes. I must say, I got on here and my first thought is like, this is really nice. It's a really well put together website. As you can see, you have over here, you got Snoopy involved. You got some cartoon characters. You have your Barkbox monthly subscription plans down here. They give you free offers right here. So a lot of great stuff on here. And if we scroll down here, here's how it works. Here's how the Barkbox works. $23 subscribe for a month. Monthly dog joy is just a click away, valued at $40. They have all kind of, you get first box ships immediately. Your month-long dog party begins. And you right down here, you can subscribe to the party for $23 a box. And who doesn't love a good subscription service? Look down here. They have a theme collection every month. Every Barkbox has 2 innovative toys, all natural bags of treats and chews. Curated each month, unique themes edition. Look at those, man. That's pretty cool looking. Look at those toys. Look at the unique treats and stuff. It is really neat. It really is. Here we got the dogs talking. We got Frank, the assistant manager, and we got Floyd, the squeaker in chief, not speaker, the squeaker in chief. And just really, honestly, this is cute, adorable stuff, guys, as the dogs are on here. I mean, if this doesn't, warm you up to this Spac, I mean, they are in USA Today, CNN, Forbes, People, Today, GMA. Everybody, I would say, has a love for pets, guys. Look at this little guy over here. Let me scroll this up for you guys. Look at this little guy right here. Oh, how cute is that right there? I mean, who doesn't have love for the animals, man, and want to take care of their animals and get them some kind of treats and subscription? There he is playing with the toys. So freaking adorable, guys. This here is one that I think we definitely need to keep our eye on. Maybe suggesting to just grab a couple shares and hang on to them, man. This is one that a lot of people's in EV spaces. We're into gambling. We recently got into the cloud-based services of Apex. We're in a little bit of Tattooed Chef. We got some calls that are looking pretty phenomenal. But I don't have any kind of pet services, in a sense, in my portfolio. So this is a play we can get in at the beginning, get it down cheap. And look where Chewy's at now, man. Chewy's $100 a share. And this is at $13. Now, I think we're on a long road to get to that price because Chewy is a very well-known company. But I think this is one we need to put on the radar. This is one you could purchase in, sit back, and just let it ride, guys. Because as every year they're going to learn, they're going to get better, they're going to cut costs, they're going to come up with new innovative products. And I think this could be like, maybe the second place runner to Chewy. Maybe not. They're not going to overtake Chewy, I don't think. But they could be the top, number 2 player in the field, and they could have a nice market share being the player number 2 if they come up with innovative ways to come up with these boxes and the subscription plan. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go!